Okay, here we go. This, I believe, is problem 13 on our final review for trigonometry, and all you have to do is convert between polar coordinates and convert those into rectangular coordinates. This is something we didn't get to cover in class before the break. So just real quick, in polar coordinates, instead of giving an x and a y, you're giving a length r, which we're going to use r because it's like a radius, okay? And you're given an angle, which we'll call theta. So you're given a distance from 0, 0 and an angle from 0, 0. Well, this is in radians because there's no degree sign, obviously. 7 pi over 4 is 315 degrees. So let's just get a picture of what we're talking about here. And 315 essentially is negative 45. So what we got is we got a line that's 3 units long and has an angle here of negative 45 and an angle here of 315 degrees. And what they're asking for is, what are these coordinate points? Now, I think even if you get to this problem and you completely forget the conversion formulas and how to do this the quick and easy way, this is enough information for you to use Trig to figure this out. Okay? I'm fully confident that you could do that. After all, you know with this 45-degree angle that essentially this number and this number are going to be the same number because it's 45-degree angle. Also, this number's, your x value is going to be positive, your y value is going to be negative. So there you go. So here's the easy way to do it. Simply remember these two quick and easy formulas, that the x value is equal to this radius times the cosine of theta. Now that should be easy to remember because on your unit circle, the cosine is the x value. Remember? So we just take, and that's a unit of 1, we're just changing that unit of 1 to a unit of whatever distance we're going out. Kind of make sense? Likewise, the y value okay. Okay, so here we have cosine of this angle, which is going to be 7 pi over 4. We can work that out. It's going to be the square root of 2 over 2 because that's essentially a 45-degree angle, and it's going to be positive for the cosine, right? Because the cosine is going to be this positive number over 3, right? And then the sine of this angle is going to be negative square root of 2 over 2. So we're going to have the x value is 3 times, and the y value is 3 times negative square root of 2 over 2. And you just crunch that out, and your coordinate points then, I'm not going to write it in this tight little space, I didn't really leave myself enough, so I'm going to make a little bigger space down here. I'm just going to write 3 square roots of 2 over 2 and negative 3 square roots of 2 over 2. And that's a pretty straightforward conversion from polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates. And that's all there is for problem number 13.